In this guide, I will show you how to view game time on Steam, which means how many time you played on Steam. First method is to install the Steam desktop application on your Windows and launch it if you have it. Hover your mouse pointer over Library in the top menu bar. Select Home from the drop-down menu, and then click on the desired Steam game from your library. This will load the game's profile details on the right side of the screen, and the hours you've played the selected Steam game will appear under Playtime on the right side. And if you want to see the total time played across all your Steam games, you'll need to click through each game and add up the time manually. Or you can use a third-party tool like SteamDB. Go to the SteamDB website and click Sign in through Steam and log in with your Steam account. This will allow SteamDB to access your game library and statistics. After that, you can view playtime for individual games as well as your total playtime across all games. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.